Welcome back. Just wanted to make a quick video. Let's get into Nio real quick so we can see what's going on. This is the daily time frame. We are down here. Okay, we are down here. We're trading at $3.95. Okay, stock market is not open right now. It's Sunday night, like 8:30, pretty much on my side. So this is the after hours, this little dotted line. But anyway, so we're down here near support area. Okay, we're near a support. So I said, let me show everybody, we're at a support. What's going to happen? Because here in the past, when we had support at this price level, $3.74, right? We bounce here and here, these two candles, that candle, that candle. We caught some support, we bounce. So we've been riding right alongside of it for a minute here. Okay, consolidation, going sideways, building a base. So, and then it's trying to pop up, as you see right there. This candle's higher than that, trying to go upward in upward motion. That's good. Okay, it's going in the right direction there. I like that. I said, let me just show everybody. But we caught a little bit of support, but we have to be careful. Why? Because see this line here, this one, and this one. We're below all three moving averages. Okay, we are. So once we get to $4, because we're close to there now, $3.95. It may be a little bit of a problem getting over that moving average, that 20-day. And then here, we have to get above the 50. So we have, we have some problems up ahead. So at the same time, though, if you wanted this here now and you tried to go back, I'm not going to go to the tippy top, which would be right there. You see at the tippy top, you would be getting a 53%, okay, return. Okay, 53% return if you go to tippy top. But we're not going to go. This is like, okay, let's call this. This is little piggy levels. Okay, oinky oink. Little piggy levels. Because what about if you don't hit all the way up there? Because these didn't before in the past, right? So let's just go a little bit further down. What about if you just did something like from here to just here? Just here. Let's just go right there. Okay. I just went there just for the heck of it, okay? There was no math or technical analysis about that. Let's just say, if you just made it to there, that's 35%, okay? So that's 35% that you could gain from here to just making it here. Now, if we didn't go all the way there, let's say, oh, Miss Moneymaker, anything that moves, click like and subscribe. If you just wanted to go a little bit below, okay? Just a little bit below. Not trying to be a piggy again. 20%. Okay, 20% if you buy where we're at and you think of coming out around here a little bit below that trend line. Why a little bit below? Because people may sell if you try to reach all the way to the next dollar amount. What about if you don't? So maybe you want to take a little profits before, the $4.87 or the $5 amount. So that's why I just put it there. Okay. Also, I just wanted to show you your risk to reward ratio real fast. Okay, so if we just went to here, if we had to stop, let's say right about there, if we had to stop it right about there, if we just went to this line, you see right here, it's only a 2.42. It's not a 3. So you would have to either, because you want something to be above a 3, decrease your stop. Okay, so like you stop out right away. So you see where I changed it? I changed the stop. All right, so I put it to there. Okay, or you want to go for more money. Now, clearly, the higher you go, the better the reward ratio is. Okay, clearly. So I just wanted to show you that. So be careful breaking below this area. Okay, so I want to leave you with this. Mr. Man, he said, every now and then, a man's mind is stretched by a new idea or sensation and never shrinks back to its former dimensions. Okay? It never shrinks back to its former dimensions. Alrighty. Click like, subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.